Chickpeas are a nutritious and versatile plant-based protein. They are high in fiber, protein, folate, and other important nutrients. Lemons are a rich source of vitamin C. A diet including lemon benefits you in multiple ways. Lemons can aid in weight loss and protect you from many cardiovascular diseases. Studies show us that fruits and vegetables, especially those rich in vitamin C, can prevent coronary heart disease. Cucumbers have small amounts of vitamin K and vitamin A and are about 95% water. Shallots are high in antioxidants and may improve blood sugar levels, circulation, and bone health. Cherry tomatoes are rich in lycopene, which is great at fighting free radicals that cause disease. Lycopene can also limit UV damage to your skin from sun exposure and promote better heart health.